Hello guys, welcome back to Exilaris project. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail cover using Google AI image generation, also known as Google Flow. In our previous videos, we showed you how to turn images into videos. But today, we are going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail cover. Okay, now let's begin. First, you need to open a website. Go to labs.google.com/sgy/tools/flow, or you can just follow what you see on the screen. This website is very powerful. You can use it to create creative poster images and YouTube thumbnail covers easily. So now let's get started.
This is the canvas of Google Flow, where your image will be created. You can generate images very easily by just typing the text prompt. Before we begin, let's go to ChatGPT to create a basic prompt so the result will be more accurate. Open chatgpt.com. After that, you will see the ChatGPT dashboard. In this session, we will ask ChatGPT to do a simple task. We will ask it to create a prompt for a YouTube cover. Okay, now let's type. I will type, create prompt to make YouTube cover before and after that works. Then just press enter or click send. Now let ChatGPT do the job. You will get many variations using this method, so you can choose what you like. I suggest you create prompts that are relevant to your video content.
Select whatever you like. After you choose the one you like, click Copy on the clipboard icon on the right side. This will enable you to add prompt on the Google Flow. If you're done copy, let's get back to Google Flow. Before we paste it, we need to create a simple picture of sample. This is for make base picture before after as anchor. Okay, let go enlarge the screen so you can see very clear. Let's click the prompt box and type any picture you want to imagine. Let's try typing a dolphin animation picture. For this option, we only need one sample, so we choose X1 with resolution 16:9 or YouTube videos size. After that, press enter or send arrow. It will send our request to Google Flow. Let's wait a while. This is our signal the image generation is good and processing. You wait until it's done and completed. It's always takes sometimes 1 minute to go. It's very fast. If we do drawing manually on image editor, it will take long time. Okay, let's go wait.
Beautiful. Our sample picture is finished. Now for the next step, we click on the top right corner of the picture frame, select the 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt. This step is very important if you want to create consistent alternative images based on the reference picture you selected before. Now let's create another version. Type realistic version of this picture, cinematic camera and send. This will generate a new image for you, same subject but with a different style. We are making a before and after YouTube version. This is very good because Google Flow is getting smarter. Imagine if you want to create this design manually, it will take 2 or 3 hours to enhance or redesign everything. With this Google Flow tool, it becomes very important and efficient for you. You just need to wait 1 or 2 minutes until the picture is complete.
Remember, our goal is to create a YouTube cover showing before and after. It is important for you to listen carefully and watch this video slowly. You can pause or rewind if you do not understand. You can also save this video. This is very good to learn or watch later. Okay, now our new picture is done. It looks like cinematic style with realistic effects. Beautiful progress. This is good for the before and after comparison. Okay, as we have 2 image options, we can join these 2 images to become one for the YouTube cover.
Okay, for now, we need to select the three dots menu again on the first picture and choose Add to Prompt. And also, we do the same for the realistic version. Click the three dots, Add to Prompt.
Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt again. Click the clipboard icon. We will paste this into the Google Flow prompt box. Let's wait a while until the picture is completed. For this progress, you already have 2 images created by AI. It is wonderful how you can create pictures so easily. If you have more ideas, you can generate more pictures, like a penguin, a bear, a panda, or whatever picture you like. Even if you have a tutorial channel, you can boost your content with these covers to attract people on YouTube to visit your videos. Instead of getting tired doing tutorials manually, this is a very important and efficient step. While we wait for the picture to complete, take a moment to imagine all the possibilities you can create with Google Flow. You can make different styles, colors, or even funny characters to match your video content, like animals, objects, or abstract designs, anything you can think of. This is really powerful because it saves so much time compared to drawing manually. Remember, the goal is to make eye-catching thumbnails that attract viewers. Even small changes in style or lighting can make your video look professional and grab attention. So relax, explore your ideas, and enjoy the process. This is how AI makes your creative work faster and fun.
Now, the before and after cover picture is already done. You can see it. It's great and very eye-catching for a YouTube video. Look closely. We have 2 compositions in one photo, the before and after image. This tells the viewer instantly what your video is about without watching the entire video. People will notice it and start watching your video right away. Okay, now let's create another version. We need to compare the results or see what other versions AI can create. Please check this. Now on the prompt box, click the Settings menu or the Nano Banana menu. From the options, choose X4. This will generate 4 more example pictures for our YouTube cover. It's very efficient and helpful, so we can choose which picture is more eye-catching for YouTube users. Let's go, create it, and wait for a while. While we wait for the new images to generate, let's take a closer look at Google Flow. See here on the screen, all the options are really easy to use. You can change the prompt, adjust the style, or choose different variations to see what looks best. For example, if you want a brighter look or more cinematic style, you can just type it in the prompt box and send again. The AI will generate multiple examples for you, so you can compare side by side. This is really helpful because you can test different ideas quickly without spending hours in a normal image editor. Remember, experimenting with different prompts will give you better results and more creative options for your YouTube cover. So while we wait, take a look at the interface and imagine the possibilities you can create with Google Flow. Also, don't forget you can zoom in on each image to see the details. This helps you check which version has the best colors, lighting, and composition for your YouTube cover. Sometimes small changes like the angle of a character or the brightness of the background make a big difference in catching viewers' attention. So take your time, explore the options, and choose the version that looks most eye-catching for your audience.
For now, all the pictures are completed. Now you can choose which cover you like. There are many variations of the before and after pictures. This one is an alternative before example. Also, you can see the title variations are great. It makes it a bit difficult to choose because all results are good and impressive. You can see some titles give different alternatives like Real Ocean Cleanup or Real Ocean Restoration. Choose whichever you like for your cover. And remember, you can always generate more images, as many as you want. Many good versions and better variations are possible. These images help us very perfectly for our YouTube thumbnails. Okay, from this progress, this is the end of the tutorial. We hope you all try more examples, be creative, and get satisfying results. Any student can learn this simple tutorial from this video anywhere.
Do it on your phone, laptop, or anywhere you want. Nothing fancy, just patience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share with your friends. We will give many interesting tutorials in the future. Stay healthy and stay on our channel for more updates.